This industrial safety alert highlights the critical risks of dust explosions during the loading of powdered materials into bulk transport vehicles. As seen in the footage, improper pressure regulation can lead to a sudden explosion where immense force displaces operators and engulfs the area in debris. Key technical causes include excessive pressure from obstructed ventilation and static electricity generated by fine particles moving at high speeds. To prevent such incidents, facilities must ensure system integrity by verifying relief valves, maintaining safe distances through remote monitoring, and providing specialized training on material flammability. Strict adherence to safety protocols and the use of proper fall protection are essential to mitigate hazards in high-risk industrial environments. This warehouse safety alert examines a critical incident involving large bulk bags where a worker was struck by a shifting load during a crane operation. The accident occurred due to an inadequate safety buffer, as the worker was positioned in a dangerous blind spot within the fall path of the cargo. Technical analysis reveals that flexible bulk bags have dynamic centers of gravity, meaning lifting one unit can destabilize adjacent stacks. Furthermore, communication gaps allowed the lift to begin while personnel were still in high-risk zones. To prevent recurrence, facilities must establish strict exclusion zones, verify the stability of surrounding stacks before any lift, and ensure standardized coordination between operators and ground crews. Comprehensive training on hazard recognition is vital for maintaining a safe environment. This video provides a profound look at mental health and crisis prevention through an in-depth analysis of a distressing incident where extreme psychological pressure led to severe personal consequences. The analysis reveals that personal relationship struggles, specifically emotional breakdowns and a sense of betrayal, pushed the individual into a state of crisis. This serves as a powerful reminder of the vital importance of mental health maintenance and the heartbreaking results when distress goes untreated. Key takeaways include the fact that mental health is paramount and seeking professional support is essential during difficult times. Furthermore, the weight of impulsive decisions shows how split-second choices in moments of distress can lead to life-altering consequences for everyone involved. Ultimately, prioritizing sincere communication and rejecting negative paths can prevent tragedies. This video highlights a critical workplace safety incident occurring during the unloading of a heavy shipment. As a forklift operator maneuvers a large crate, two workers are positioned on the trailer bed to assist. The mishap occurs when one individual stands too close to the active lifting zone, disregarding safe distance protocols. As the forklift engages the load, the crate becomes unbalanced and tips over, striking the worker who is unable to escape the immediate path of the falling cargo. To prevent such incidents, a strict safety perimeter must be maintained, ensuring no personnel stand within the operating radius or under suspended loads. Furthermore, operators must verify that all cargo is perfectly centered and secured before lifting. Clear communication through standardized hand signals and the consistent use of PPE are essential to mitigate risks during high-pressure loading tasks. This video captures a high-risk industrial accident at a machining facility, serving as a powerful reminder of the importance of workplace safety protocols. In the footage, a team of technicians is seen performing maintenance on a large red vertical milling machine. Because the heavy equipment was not properly secured and its center of gravity was miscalculated, the removal of a key component caused the massive cast iron head to suddenly collapse. Fortunately, the workers nearby displayed incredible reflexes, leaping out of the way just milliseconds before impact. While no injuries were sustained, the machinery crashed violently, causing significant damage. This near miss highlights the need for pre-operational safety checks, the use of certified rigging equipment, and constant situational awareness to prevent such dangerous incidents in a high-pressure shop environment. This video documents a serious equipment failure and property damage incident in a loading zone, providing a critical lesson on the safety protocols required when operating industrial vehicles. The footage shows a heavy-duty forklift parked on a slight incline at a loading dock, where it appears the operator failed to engage the parking brake or properly chock the wheels. While the crew was preoccupied, the forklift began to roll backward uncontrollably. Due to its massive weight and increasing momentum, the machine collided directly with the side of a parked Mazda CX-5. This incident highlights the need for strict parking protocols, such as lowering forks and engaging brakes, the mandatory use of wheel chocks on inclines, and regular maintenance to prevent property loss and ensure site safety. This video documents a hazardous workplace incident during the repair of a large-scale industrial pipeline, offering critical insights into safety management. While working in a deep trench, a technician used a thermal cutting tool on a massive metal pipe. Due to residual pressure or trapped flammable gases, a sudden flash fire erupted the moment the cut was completed, momentarily engulfing the workspace in heat and flames. Fortunately, on-site emergency personnel intervened instantly with extinguishers to prevent a catastrophic explosion. This near miss highlights the necessity of atmospheric testing and pressure relief before hot work, the importance of a dedicated fire watch, and the use of flame-resistant PPE. Such incidents remind us that industrial procedures require absolute precision to avoid severe consequences. This video documents a serious workplace accident during the installation of wooden floor panels at a construction site. In the footage, a worker is seen adjusting panels on a metal frame elevated approximately 6 feet above the ground. Because the panel was not secured and the worker stepped onto the unsupported outer edge, the board suddenly pivoted. The worker lost his balance and fell to the concrete floor with the heavy panel landing on top of him. This incident highlights the need to secure materials immediately with screws or clamps to prevent shifting. Workers must maintain safe footing by never stepping on unverified edges and always using fall protection like safety harnesses at significant heights. A single moment of oversight can lead to unfortunate consequences on any job site. This video documents an unexpected workplace incident at a metal scrapyard, illustrating the high risks of working on unstable surfaces. The footage shows a worker on a truck bed filled with iron bars attempting to organize the load. While pulling a large metal piece, he unintentionally created an uncontrollable leverage force. Due to uneven footing and the sudden shift of the bar, the worker lost his balance and fell from the truck bed, followed by sharp scrap material. Fortunately, he stood up immediately, but such falls pose a severe risk of injury. This highlights the need for stable footing on non-fixed surfaces and proper heavy material handling using mechanical assistance. Always wear PPE like safety boots and hard hats to minimize impact. Simple tasks harbor hidden dangers if safety is ignored. This incident serves as a critical case study on the importance of stabilizing industrial equipment during disassembly. While a team was disassembling components of a red vertical milling machine, the equipment's center of gravity shifted unexpectedly. Because the unit was not properly secured, the heavy machine head suddenly collapsed onto the workspace. The technicians working directly underneath displayed incredible reflexes, narrowly avoiding the falling machinery in a split second. This near miss highlights the need to utilize industrial chains or cranes to ensure units remain stabilized before removing structural parts. Technicians must assess how part removal affects balance and always maintain safe work zones by staying out of the line of fire of unsupported heavy components. Proper adherence to safety standards is vital to prevent significant operational risks.